So this is the last sheet of VJ lining board. Each power point needs to get a checkout out at the bottom of the sheet. Start by measuring the exact position of your GPO, that's your general power outlet, on the wall. Then transfer those measurements onto your VJ lining panel or whichever wall lining you're using. Take your time here to make sure everything lines up accurately before you make any cuts. I like to use a GPO template marker for this step. Funny enough, Sparkies have two common types they use, the blue monkey and the green donkey. In this case, I'm using the green donkey. I then drill two 20mm spade bits in each corner of the GPO bracket markout. Then I switch to a jigsaw and follow the lines to complete the cutout. With the opening done, I can lift the panel into position, pull the electrical wire through the cutout and fix the sheet to the wall framing. And that's the GPO cutout finished. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.